subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. OnePlus officially launched its latest Nord series mid-range smartphone in the Indian market, dubbed OnePlus Nord 2 5G. As the name indicates, the phone is a successor to the OnePlus Nord that debuted last year. Today, the company has started selling the device in India through the online marketplace Amazon and OnePlus.in for the Amazon Prime subscribers and OnePlus Red Club members. 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage model is priced at $27,999, $376. While the 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant costs $29,999, $403. The 12GB RAM model with 256GB of internal storage is priced at $34,999, $470. Currently, the device comes in two color options, Blue Haze and Grey Sierra. The third color option, Green Woods, which has a leather-like back finish, will go on sale in India from next month. OnePlus Nord 2 5G smartphone features a 6.43-inch Fluid AMOLED Full HD Plus display offering 2400 by 1080 pixels screen resolution, a 90Hz refresh rate, and a 20:9 aspect ratio. Nord 2 is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 1200 AI chipset, coupled with up to 12GB LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 internal storage. It doesn't come with a microSD card slot, meaning there's no way to expand their phone's storage capacity. Camera department, there's a triple camera setup on the back consisting of a 50-megapixel Sony IMX766 primary sensor with f/1.88 aperture, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel monochrome sensor. On the front side, it features a 32-megapixel Sony IMX615 snapper for taking selfies and video calling. Connectivity options on the device include 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth V5.2, NFC, and USB Type-C port. The phone also comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor for added security. It runs the Android 11 operating system with the company's own Oxygen OS 11.3 custom interface, which is based on Apple's Color OS 11.3 after both the companies merged their code base. The device is powered by a 4500 mAh battery that supports 65 watts warp charge. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.